The number 2 is the conditional formatting. Conditional formatting. Conditional formatting. Now, this visualizes data directly inside cells using color scales, using data bars or icon sets. For example, highlighting all cells where profit is negative in red. You have pivot charts or tables. This is another tool, pivot charts. These are linked to pivot tables. The pivot charts are linked to pivot tables, and they allow you to filter and slice through large data sets to update the visual instantly. These are pivot charts. Then another tool that we get in Excel is the sparklines. Sparklines. These are tiny charts that fit inside a single cell, providing a quick visual trend next to a row of data. So these are some of the tools that we get in Excel that can be used in data visualization, which is the graphical representation of information.